at Palm Harbor Club this morning, and we are going to Unit 204. Here is the beautiful lobby with water feature. It's windy in here, and everybody gets a parking secured. In here, with gates. Welcome to Palm Harbor 204 screen porch area. Here we are. And the storage room is right across the way from this one. Nice big laundry room as we come in, with newer machines here, and a cabinet upgrade up there instead of shelves. Hanging rack here. Nice foyer, all tiled on the floor, with architectural ceiling up there. Great room with crown molding, and again all tiled on the floor. A couple of niches here for the dining room, and another niche here for the breakfast nook, which the sellers opted to do a computer little desk area. This is the, of course, the pantry. Upgraded appliances, stainless steel, under cabinet lighting, and a huge opening that the sellers actually broadened here. It was a small pass-through before. Granite countertops. This home is sold unfurnished, with the furniture being negotiable. Huge lanai with the floor to ceiling sliders and all hurricane codes. Storm sliders. And on top of it, they also have the storm shutters, electric storm shutters, so this whole place can be closed when you're not here. The views are very, very pleasant. Breezy today, but very pleasant. The breeze is very warm. You've got the Marina, you've got the Dolphins and Manatees out of your Lanai, and a lot of tropical foliage out here. Tennis courts and pickleball courts right there. And the master suite, which is gigantic. This is a king-size bed, poster bed of all things, and a sitting area and another sitting area with your views here, water views out of your windows here, and access to your lanai from your master suite. And your big walk-in closet in here. Another closet, oh, this is the water closet, pardon me. Another closet here. Shower tiled to the top. Double vanity here. I'm going to go fast to show you the two guest suites. There we go. Two guest suites completely separated from the master. There's one with actually two beds. Bed here, queen, and a single, so another big bedroom here, and another guest suite here with two single beds. Now both have closets, right? And the second bathroom here, all remodeled here, and tiled to the top here. So So here you go, beautiful condo at Palm Harbor Club with water views. Contact me or contact your realtor. And also weekly rentals allowed in this building, so, and pets as well.